What you see here is the GST 25 Metal Professional Jigsaw from Bosch. It's specially designed for metalworking. Its short stroke length of only 24 millimeters ensures exceptionally smooth running. The powerful 670-watt motor can handle cutting depths of up to 25 millimeters in aluminium and 15 millimeters in unalloyed steel. The tool comes complete with speed for metal saw blades, which are designed to suit the tool perfectly and are suitable for various different metals. The SDS system enables you to change the saw blades quickly and without tools. The tool's two-stage pendulum action gives you optimum control. Experience for yourself the GST 25 Metal Professional from Bosch. Precise sawing in metal with a system.